Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. Today we will discuss about the differential equation. This is the lecture 2 on this topic, differential equation. So in this lecture today we will discuss about the solving first order first degree differential equation. In the last lecture we have discussed what is the order and degree and what is the differential equation. Okay, so in this lecture we will discuss about the first solving first order and first degree differential equation. So what is a first order and first degree how a differential equation will look like. The differential equation which has first order and first degree, how it will going to look like. Okay, so as I have mentioned here, okay, let me tell you, in a equation, in a differential equation, in which there is contained dy by dx, only first order and first degree. As you can see, there is no power of dy by dx and the order is 1. Okay, so degree and order both are 1. Okay, so how like this equation, let me complete it. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have to solve this type of differential equation. So how we are going to solve it? We can solve it from this method, like variable separable differential equation method and homogeneous differential equation, linear differential equation. Okay, in this lecture I will talk about the variable separable differential equation. Okay, so what is a variable separable differential equation? The differential equation has the form. Okay, let me clarify, like okay, so the differential equation has the form, okay, like dy by dx is equal to fx into gy. Okay, where fx is the function of x and gy is the function of y. Then and you can see here, we can just separate these two, like send gy here and dx here, so it will become dy by gy and it will become fx into dx. Okay, so this process is called separating the variables. Okay, what? Separating the variables. Okay, so like dy by dx is equal to fx into gy, like this. Okay, so how we are going to solve any equation through this method? Okay, I have mentioned one example here. So from this, okay, before going to this example, let me give a little bit easy example, like, okay, let me give you like one example. Dy by dx is equal to x into y. Okay, so how can we solve it? So take y here and dx here. Okay, so it will become dy by y, dy by y, and it will become x into dx. Okay, now integrate both sides. What we are going to do? Just integrate both sides. Okay, so integrating on both sides. Okay, so it will become like yeah, so it will become dy by dx by y is equal to integration of x into dx. Okay, okay, so now integrate both sides. It will become log y, integration of 1 upon y with respect to dy is ln, means log y, and what is this? This is the x square by 2 and plus c. We will add some constant. Okay, in each after the integration we will add some constant. Okay, because we don't know the region. Okay, so that's why we are adding some constant here. Okay, So this is the one example, okay, and we can take some another examples also. For example, dy by dx, not this type, okay, of dy y dy into x dx, sorry, plus dx dx is equal to 0. Okay, as you can see in this example, yeah, as you can see in this example, they have already in a separate, the variables x and y both are separate, okay. So we don't need to just use the like variable separable method. We can directly integrate them, okay. So how we are going to do this? So now integrating both sides, so it will become like integration of y dy plus integration of x dx, and it is equal to 0 into something dx or dy something, okay. So what we can say, yeah, it will become y square by 2, it will become x square by 2, and this is equal to some constant, okay. I rewrite is like x square plus y square, take 2 as common, is equal to c, okay. Now x square plus y square is equal to 2c. As you can say, this is the, as you can see, this is the example of some circle, okay, okay, with circle of radius under root 2c, okay. Center it is origin, okay. Doesn't matter. So now we are going to now we are moving to this question, and we will solve it. So how we will solve it? Like we have given 1 plus e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x dy and 1 plus y square e to the power dx is equal to 0, okay. Now use the variable separable method, okay. So what will happen, okay, send this thing here and this thing here. What is the meaning of it? Okay, so let me tell you, okay. So yeah, dy by 1 plus y square, okay, let me give you each step, okay. 1 plus e to the power 2x dy is equal to, take this thing this side, okay, minus 1 plus y square e to the power x dx, okay, okay, clear, okay. Just we have done till now we have done nothing, just I have take these things to other side of the equality sign, okay. So sign will be changed, this is the positive and it will become negative, okay. Now take y term one side and x term other side, okay. So it will become 1 plus y square, and yeah, it will become e to the power x minus, yeah, 1 plus e to the power 2x dx, okay. Now how we are going to solve it? As you can see, if we let e to the power x, then we can okay, now integrating on both sides, integrating on both sides, okay. So this will become dy by dx by 1 plus y square is equal to, yeah, 1 plus y square, okay, minus integration of e to the power x by 1 plus e to the power x dx plus some constant. Okay, now you can see e, this is the e to the power x and upon 1 plus e to the power 2x. Okay, we can rewrite it like this: e to the power x whole square, no problem. Okay, now let e to the power x is equal to t, then it will become e to the power x dx is equal to dt, just differentiating. Okay, so e to the power x dx is equal to dt. So this will become like dy by dx 1 plus y square, and this will become minus e to the power x is common, so e to the power x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so dt by 1 plus this term is e to the power x whole square, and e power x is t, so this is the t square plus c. Okay, now integrate. So this is the formula, this is the integration of tan inverse y, and this is the integration of minus tan inverse t plus c. Okay, take this term on this side. Okay, so it will become tan inverse y plus tan inverse t is equal to c. Okay, now put the value of t here, so it will become tan inverse y plus tan inverse e to the power x is equal to c. Okay, this is the required differential equation, but this is the general differential equation. Okay, and in the question they have asked from us the particular solution. So particular solution we will get after using these conditions like y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0. In the question they have given to us, we need to find the particular solution of the differential equation of this differential equation at some condition like when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Okay, so use this condition, what x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, and use here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, so this will become tan inverse 1 plus y is equal to 1 and e to the power x is equal to 0, so e to the power 0 is equal to 1, so this is the tan inverse 1, that is equal to c. Okay, so this is the when will be the value of tan is 1. Okay, so as we can write like tan inverse tan pi by 4. Okay, and this can be written like this, tan pi by 4. Okay, so equal to c, that is pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is equal to c, that is take 4 as common, then it will become pi plus pi, that is 2 pi by 4 is pi by 2. Okay, you can see here, take 4 as LCM, then it will become pi plus pi, that is 2 pi by 4, and pi by 2, 2 to the 4. Okay, so now we have got the c is equal to pi by 2. Now put the value of this in this equation. Putting the value of c in equation 1. Okay, so what we will get, tan inverse y plus tan inverse e to the power x, tan inverse y plus tan inverse e to the power x is equal to pi by 2. This is the required solution of the particular solution of the given differential equation. Okay, and moving to the next question. Yeah, okay, so there is written like this: log base e dy by dx is equal to 4x minus 2y minus 2. Okay, no problem, easy. So we know the property of log, like if there is written like this log base e to the power something like this, okay, then it will become like e to the power a is equal to b. Okay, we are using this property here, so it will become like dy by dx is equal to, remember in differential equation if you see log, okay, our differential equation term is in log or sine inverse, like in inside a function. Okay, so first try to remove that function, so our differential equation will be free from this these okay term. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to, it will become e to the power 4x minus 2y minus 2. Okay, and yeah, this is the power of e to the power something, and we can also write it like this: e to the power 4x into e to the power minus 2y into e to the power minus 2. Right. Okay, now take the y term on one side and the x term on another side. Okay, so it will become dy by e to the power minus 2y. Okay, and it will become e to the power 4x into e to the power minus 2 and dx. Okay, so let me write it in a beautiful way: e to the power 2y dy is equal to 1 upon e square, okay, and e to the power 4x dx. Right. Okay, now integrating on both side, integrating on both side. Okay, now so it will look like this: e to the power 2y dy. Okay, and this is the constant, so it will goes out from the integration, so e to the power 4x dx and something constant. Okay, now okay, so if we take like how we are going to integrate it. Okay, so take 2y is equal to something like t, then it will become dy is equal to 2 dy is equal to dt, that is dy is equal to dt by 2. Okay, and for this 4x is equal to something like what can we take? Okay, u. Okay, so 4 dx is equal to du, that is dx is equal to du by 4. Okay, use this here, so it will become like this: dy is equal to dt by 2 and e to the power 2y is equal to, okay, e to the power 2y is equal to t, that is t, and yeah, dt by 2 and 1 upon e square, and it will look like e to the power 4x is u and dx is equal to du by 4, So du by 4 plus c. Okay, so it will become 2 is a constant and 4 is a constant, so it doesn't matter what we are going to do. So e to the power x is e to the power x, the integration of e to the power x is e to the power x, so it will become e to the power t by 2, and it will become e to the power u by 4e square plus c. Okay, now put these values in the required place. Okay, so e to the power t, e to the power t, so e to the power t is 2y, 2y by 2 is equal to e to the power 4x, e to the power 4x by 4e square plus c. Okay, now use the condition like y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Okay, so x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Use this condition. So yeah, so use this condition, so it will become e square by 2 is equal to e to the power 4 by 4e square plus c. Okay, and you can see e square will be cancelled out, so it will become e square by 2 is equal to e square by 4 plus c. Take it this side. Okay, so e square by 2 minus e square by 4 is equal to c. Okay, so take e square common, then it will become 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to c. That is, take 4 as LCM, then 2 2 is 4, that is 2, and 4 1 is 4 1. Okay, e square, that is c, it will become c is equal to e square by 4. Okay, okay, so now put this here, put the value of c in the general solution. Okay, this is the general solution, this is y. Okay, and so our equation will be e to the power 2y by 2 is equal to e to the power 4x by 4e square plus e square by 4. Okay, okay, so you can see here 4 in each term, 1 by 4 is in each term, so multiply by 4 in each term in both side. Okay, so 4 will be cancel out, and from this 2 to the 4, that is 2 e to the power 2y is equal to e to the power 4x by e square plus e square. Okay, this is the required solution of our differential equation. Okay, so this was all about the variable separable method. In the next lecture I will talk about the homogeneous differential equation and linear differential equation. Okay, and I am just giving some basic in these lectures. I will upload the question practice. Okay, solution of the questions in other lectures separately. Okay, so that's why I am just giving the solution, some basic knowledge about this differential equation. Okay, so thank you for joining. Till then, bye bye.